Hello, my name is Gary Butler, Support Team Mentor at PKF Smith Cooper Systems. Today, we're looking at the option to export and import your profit and loss or balance sheet layout from one company to another company. So, if, for example, you're using Sage 200 and you've got your design for your structuring of your profit and loss and balance sheet, but you've got a new offshoot and the nominal structure will be exactly the same, what you can do is export the layout and import it into the new company. So if we go into normal ledger, utilities, ledger setup, and financial statement layouts. So you can see within the options for profit and loss and balance sheet, I've got a custom one basically called Gary's profit and loss and Gary's balance sheet. I'm going to highlight Gary's profit and loss and press export. This pops up with a window where you can customize where it saves it, but we're just going to put it into documents. If I just type in P and L, for example, and then save it. That then makes a copy of my layout and it's successfully exported. Okay, so if I now go into balance sheet and do the same thing, this time type BAL S and save. Okay, we can then close this and we'll go into our other company. We want to move it to my training company. I then go into normal ledger, utilities, ledger setup, financial statement layouts. Now in here, next to the export button, you have an import button. If I click on import, it then gives me the option to select my files. So this time again, I'm going to select my profit and loss and press open. It's now bringing that detail into the layout system itself. If I'm happy, I press save and then close. It pops it in with the name of imported layout 1. So to save for any error or such like, we can go through and change the layout name. And go to balance sheet and do the same thing again. So import, balance sheet, open, save, close, Gary's balance sheet. And now we've got our custom layouts there.